Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can apply neon outline glow effect in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created. This is my project and I'm going to apply neon outline glow effect to this video. We can go to the effect menu right here, and then we can select the video effect, and in this video effect we need to go to the nightclub category. Then we have to scroll down until we find the neon outline effect. Wait, just scroll down until you find the neon outline effect. Wait guys. Okay, and this is the neon outline glow effect, and I'm going to adjust it before I apply it to my video. I'm just going to reduce the intensity and click on this check mark once you're done adjusting the effect, and I'm going to make it align with my video. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add neon outline glow effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.